First, set the clips according to beat. Now go to the first clip and do speed curve and select flash out. Then duplicate the clip. And reverse it. Now do keyframe and zoom on clip end and duplicated clip start. Then do flash in for reverse clip. I do some mistakes while recording, so ignore it. Then follow this method to all clips. Now effects. It's simple. First, apply shake effect, adjust like me. Remember, set effect to all video to do keyframe. Then do 3 keyframes on effect. Now go to first keyframe and do setting like speed was 100 for all keyframe and intensity was 9, then 30, and then 0. Now duplicate the effect and apply for only main clip, not for reverse. Don't apply any effect on reverse clip. Now add animation on main clip, vertical blur, and apply only on non-reverse clip. Then apply oblique blur. Same keyframe like shake. Then adjust first and last keyframe 0 and middle keyframe adjust blur 100. Don't change intensity of middle keyframe and apply it on main clips. Now apply light stretch effect and adjust glow and set 100. Then apply on whole video. After that, one last effect, black flash 2, and adjust settings, first speed around 80 to 90, then intensity 9, and last size 0. And apply on whole video. Now it's optional. I do little bit color grading. You do according to your clip. Export it in 1080p and 60 fps, and remember on optical flow and done. Now watch final video.